Hey y'all, look what I made me. I made my homemade chicken breast. I'm tired. Been a long day. I've been up since 6 this morning. Um, yeah, so work. But anyway, I made me some chicken breast in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna put the stuff on there. Hit the subscribe button, support the channel. I made my own salt, my own dressing to go on it. Fire. Start doing these a lot. Getting different dressings, seasonings and stuff. I start doing this all the time. That. See that? Get your bite. Alright. Got me some more for tomorrow. Let me. So it's pickles, olives,